In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a channel on Telegram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open Telegram and tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Then select New Channel. Enter your channel name and description. You can also upload a profile photo for your channel now or add one later. For this tutorial, I'll use a sticker as the channel profile photo. Once everything looks good, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner to continue. Next, you'll be taken to the channel type section. Here you can choose between a public channel and a private channel. Depending on your preference, a private channel provides an invite link that you can share with others so they can join your channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a public channel. To do that, you'll need to enter a unique public link, also known as your channel username. This username will become part of your channel's public URL. Once you've entered an available username, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner to proceed. On the next screen, if you have contacts saved in your Telegram account, you'll see a list of them here. You can select any contacts you want to add to your channel. If you don't want to add anyone right now, simply tap the blue arrow button in the bottom right corner to continue. And that's it! You have successfully created your Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.